Hey everyone, I'm Zach. Welcome to Brokenomics. Today we're going to be discussing IDOs, NFTs, crowd loans and the like, and what is coming up in the week ahead in crypto. So here you can see our Notion calendar, which you will find in our Telegram. I've left a link down below, so I really recommend you come down there and say hello. You can see what we have completed here, like Mikaverse, Jungle Freaks, like there. Mikaverse is, I think, a floor of Ethereum at the moment. We also had like Yaru private sales, Shotgun Samurai. So we can see what happened in the past and what's coming up now. We've got a lot coming up on the fast-growing Enjinstarter. Enjinstarter is got 7 IDOs in this month so far announced. Pixelverse has done extremely well. It reached a high of 42 odd cents. So if you manage to sell it there, guys, well done. Fair play. Enjinstarter itself as a token is hovering around 17 cents. So it's still very reasonably priced. As we said, Enjinstarter is fast growing project. They also, if you want to look at their tiered system, it's like 25,000 Enjinstarter to get in the universe, and then they got Metaverse, Multiverse. So have a look at it. What's next on Enjinstarter happening tomorrow is ScottyBeam. But you can get into ScottyBeam a little bit early. It's actually like 3 hours and 38 minutes left on this sale before it goes on sale tomorrow. So this is the community sale on the 8th. And it ends at 5 o'clock UTC today. So guys, I'd really hurry over to that. You just have to follow the KYC and just the socials. So it's pretty self-explanatory there. Also, Colony have announced a new exciting partnership for the channel. Colony is a decentralized VC on Avalanche that aims to empower retail investors with early access to promising projects that are normally reserved for venture capitalists. So the founder will be joining us in the Telegram group later this week to answer some questions. So check out their socials, tell them Brokenomics sent you. We're super excited to bring this partnership to our community, and there'll definitely be some cool giveaways. So get involved, join our Telegram, links are below. In other news, we have Unique, which are doing the Quartz Crowdloan. Ian did an amazing video on Unique, a super breakdown. So I check that out. The link is in the description as well. If you want to stake your Kusama for Quartz, you can see how well they've done. They've managed to get 42,165 Kusama, which is ginormous, right? And that's 19% of what they hope to raise. So that's absolutely incredible from the guys at Unique. Robin has done a great video on NyanHeroes, and also just for the week ahead, we have myself and Ian are doing a live stream tomorrow. Got Robin dropping a video on Polkadot ecosystem to do with crowd loans, and I'll be doing another video on the Metaverse on Thursday. So there's a few things to look forward to. Another thing to look forward to is the NyanHeroes, right? Robin did a super video on this. It's a super interesting project. There's a lot of hype generated about it, right? And not only is it like cool, like jump in your giant robot and save the cats, and the whole internet loves cats. What's there not to like? NyanHeroes also in the back end raised $2.5 million in seed funding to disrupt the play to earn ecosystem. That was announced 4 days ago. So some smart money, big money going into that project. Also, we have under 24 hours until their public sale, which is on the 8th of November at, well, it's today essentially at 6 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time or 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So guys, check that out. That's happening in a few hours. On the NFT project wise, there's also a project called LIonskingdom NFT. Mig was here, who did the Bored Ape Yacht Club, was an advisor with these guys. What was very interesting is that they listened to their community and they lowered the mint price from what it was to 0.02 because NFTs are bleeding at the moment. So it was good of them to listen to the community and do that. Also, you can see the art here. It's grand. I don't know. I'm just keeping an eye on these things. I'm very careful about NFTs at the moment. But yeah, it's just good. If this is your jam, I definitely check these guys out. We also have Bockchin Miners Club, which is another interesting project. We can see they've got 10,000 members in their ecosystem now. The blockchain, the art is actually, I think this art is pretty cool, and they're going to be dropping their public sale minting this day next week. So just one to keep an eye on, like, you know, keep an eye on these things. We also have this other competition which is on Spacerobots on Elrod, and Elrod has really gone like really well crypto wise. It's gone up in price a hell of a lot, and this was brought to one of the guys in our Telegram. And I'd really recommend you guys coming over to the Telegram. We've got a great little community, about 1,800 members. It's fast growing, but it's the perfect size, I believe. We want to keep it pure, keep it good. Got a lot of interesting stuff. Everybody's trying to learn. Everybody's trying to like teach each other and like give each other the best options to get into like the IDOs, the NFTs, the whitelists and the like. So I'd really recommend you guys coming over here and saying hello. Finally, one of the other guys from our community, Gomez, who's an absolute gentleman, he posted this on Casper. Casper's been a long-term interest to the guys at Brokenomics, to everybody at Brokenomics, to be honest with you. And we can see here it's finally broken out of that wedge, and hopefully we're going to see a bit more upside in the coming weeks. I know there's a lot being built up on Casper, and if you do want to buy projects like Casper or Casper itself, we have an amazing referral link with Houbi. Houbi is a fast growing a centralized exchange, and what's very interesting about Houbi is they also do prime listings once a month for certain projects. So they had Immutable X just done there recently, and that went from like 15 cents up to I think about $6 or around about that. It's at this point in time. So we've got referral links, so I'd really recommend you getting involved with that. I'm Zach, this is Brokenomics. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and whatever you do, have a beautiful week with your trading, and hopefully the crypto markets go to the moon. I'm over, I'm out. Thanks very much. Boop.